Hey, welcome back guys to another video of the Stock Estate. I'm your host here, the Stock Estate, and today I know you have been missing me for a while. Okay, I have been really busy doing some of the technical analysis work as well as my own courses that's coming up for my own project as well. So pardon me for last week's video. Alright, I didn't put out a video, but I did notify all of you in the community YouTube tab. For those of you who are following very closely and have the notifications bell on, you have catch last week's trade, which was a UATI, which is Universal Technical Institute, right? It sounds it is an institution, right? So it sounds very cliche, but this ticker is one that is still in play right now. So Monday opened, right? This is the daily chart. We come up, hit our buy stop order. Okay, we entered the trade. I entered the trade. All right, it hit a high of 963-ish. All right, and came down again. So again, we're around break-even price. I'm still holding this trade. All right, for hopes of hitting the 7% mark or even higher. Okay, if you are a more ambitious trader. But again, I'm putting it at around 7% because I can see maybe some overhead resistance over at this height, and as well as depending on the market itself, all right, it might be time to take some short-term profits instead of chasing the longer-term profits, which I might re-enter, all right, if I see the conditions are right. Because for those of you who want to play this as a longer-term trend, taking a longer-term weekly analysis on this one, all right, UTI is one to go as well. Okay, and also TWI, our weekly runner, still running very strong. All right, okay, still going high on the trend. All right, so if you're still keeping this multi-week runner, right, you can move up your stop loss, all right, and as well as let this baby run as long as it can for a good 30, 40, 50%. It can be done if you find those rare companies that only happens and pops up once in a while for you to trade. All right, this week's company for short-term trading is ZIM, all right, Zim Integrated Shipping Services. All right, and this company, what I like about this is firstly, I checked out some of these fundamentals. Pretty solid, not a trash company. All right, not very expensive on terms of P ratios as well compared to its entire industry. Okay, it's around 1.5 P, so it's pretty cheap. All right, but I mean, again, all industrials trade at a lower P as well, but it's still kind of cheap compared to its peers. All right, and it's going on a strong trend. Like this clean chart as well, very clean chart. All right, but recently tanked. All right, because of the I mean, all the things that's happening recently, right? And that caused a lot of small caps to tank, and they tanked along as well, but found support right at the 50 moving average. We can see a strong rejection, then a confirmation bar. So this is a confirmation bar right here on the weekly chart. All right, and it's slowly contracting. All right, having small candles. All right, which reached to this point where we found it, and it closed a full bar candle. All right, which I like, above the 20 weekly moving average, closed above. So okay, this is a very tight entry point, which I like a lot, because I like to enter when it's a bit more calmer for the potential upside. All right, and zooming into the one-day chart, moving up here. Okay, zooming into the one-day chart, you can see why I set my profit loss taking area around here, because you can see there was an actual gap down on the daily chart right here. All right, and that's where I might set my profit taking area, because that gap here might serve as a fundamental resistance, right, which may prove difficult for this stock to break out, and it might reject at this point, come down again, which I can find a cheaper price to re-enter the trade again. So I'm currently setting my first profit taking area at 15%. All right, and right now you can see at the daily chart, it broke above the 20 moving average, bounced once, bounced twice, bounced thrice over here, found another confirmation, and this is a very good entry point, I feel, for this coming week. I'm just going to put a buy stop order somewhere here, a few cents above this area. All right, stop loss right below the previous swing low, all right, around the 9% mark, 9-10% mark as well, and the profit taking around 15% for a whopping 1.5-ish risk to reward ratio. Quick swing trade for this coming week, ZIM. All right, and yeah, so two trades ongoing. All right, we have a UTI as well as ZIM. Both of them are still trades that are in play. All right, so again, in this kind of volatile environment, all right, it's not the best idea to bet the farm on any one single trade. All right, split it up between a few trades that have good technical indicators, good technical charts. All right, and if you find the ones that have high probability of success, then you should allocate more capital to those. But again, not everything, all right, not all capital on one trade itself. That's always a very dangerous thing to do. All right, I hope everyone's doing fine. All right, don't let this entire bonanza right now, your long-term capital, be the death of you. All right, stay safe, trade safe, and I'll see you again in the next video, everyone. Stock Estate out.